In this video, I want us to talk about 7 skills you need. It's a prerequisite if you want to make money online. What are those skills? You probably ask me. And I'll tell you this. I've got 7 out of them. I've got 7 of them that I need to share with you. But I want you to understand something before we dive into these things. I like what they wrote here. There's an article actually I came across which comes from Forbes, and I find it very interesting, written by Melissa Houston, yeah, Konalap. They say, due to technological advancement and global digitalization, there are growing opportunities to make money online in 2025. However, it isn't as easy as it used to be. There are essential skills needed to make money online in 2025, and you need these skills to thrive in a competitive online space. Understanding the online landscape in 2025, online economy is more dynamic and opportunity filled than ever, driven by technological advancements like artificial intelligence, AI, and the normalization of remote work. AI tools are reshaping how business operate, from automating modern task to enhancing creativity with content generation. So you can already see that, yeah, it's packed. It's packed. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to number one. Number one is time management. There's something that I want to talk about when it comes to time management, but let's start here. Time management skill need help you prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, maximize productivity, and enable you to efficiently grow your business and achieve your financial goals. You see, when we speak about time is a very phenomenal. It's a very nice concept. Listen, time is something else. Time is basically you understanding that I can't be playing with people who does not have ambitions. I'm wasting my time. I can't be hanging around with people who does not share the same vision with me. That is the management of time. There's a lot that you can do under the management of time. There are wars or there are conflicts that you can never involve yourself on, because they will take your precious time. Now you'll have to spend precious time arguing things that have got no value to your life. That is the management of time. There's a lot that we can cover under this concept of management of time. People must understand, once you have saved time, then you use time wisely. Now, that takes me to point number 6. Point number 6 is problem solving and resiliency. Now, there's more to say about problem solving, but I want to talk after this. These skills help you navigate challenges, adapt to unforeseen obstacles, and maintain momentum in rapidly changing digital environment, ensuring long-term success. You see, when we talk about problem solving skills, basically, let me tell you this: every business, every content creator, you are solving a specific problem, right? We may not agree with the niche or what you are doing in that specific niche, but the bottom line is that you are solving a specific problem. There are people who've got a problem, crave nudity. They just want to see nudes, and that's it. They crave that. So some will provide that online. So in other words, you are solving someone's problem, and then that person is willing to pay. I've heard that OnlyFans people are making more money, and when you're looking at them, most of them, people will request them to just do this style for me, and then people are willing to pay. They've got that cravings, you know what I'm saying, and money to pay for that cravings. I'm making an example using an extreme view, but business and life is mainly about problem solving. And if you can master the art of problem solving, then you get paid for that. Then you make more money for that. That's it. Number 5, networking and collaboration. These skills allow you to build meaningful relationships, show resources, and create mutual beneficial opportunities that expand your reach and accelerate growth in digital space. Let me say something about this one, guys. Something that I find it very interesting. I went into a YouTube event. That YouTube event, we're busy talking with other people. Actually, I realized that, I came back. I was taught something that I was not aware of. I learned a lot of things taught by a person that I never thought this person can teach me something valuable. So I realized then that, wow, never underestimate this networking event. Never, ever, ever underestimate networking event. Number 4, sales skills. This skill is essential. Every single individual needs the skill for different purposes. Sales skills enable you to effectively communicate value, build relationships, and convert prospects into paying customers, driving revenue and business growth. But what if I tell you that the way you dress, it's part and parcel of sales? You're selling yourself. You're selling a certain narrative about yourself. The way you talk, the phone you're using says something about you. The place you live in says something about you. Like the way the restaurant you visit, everything that you do, it has got something to do with sales. Sales, it's a very deep, sales and marketing interchangeably. Those are two deep concepts that people don't understand. We are constantly marketing ourselves, but we're not aware of that. Your outward appearance say something about sales or marketing. Number 3, financial literacy. Financial literacy skills equip you to manage budget, price your product or service efficiently, and maximize profit while making informed decisions to sustain and grow your business. This one I think is very much straight to the point. And do I need to elaborate here? No. Let me go to number 2, entrepreneurial thinking. You will remember I said not long ago when we were talking about problem solving and entrepreneurial thinking, it would have been the same thing, and I'll tell you why. Listen to this. Entrepreneurial thinking allows you to identify opportunities, adapt to changing trends, and create innovative solutions that drive success in a competitive digital marketing. Didn't I tell you that that point and this point is almost the same point? Almost the same point. Why I say it's almost the same point? Because in all of these things, we're just doing the same thing. I always say a person with an entrepreneurial mindset is an individual that is able to think beyond. What do I mean? If we have this problem, they think about how can we solve this problem so we can get paid for solving this problem. When there is a situation of people who are house breaking and all the stuff in your area, guess what you do? You see, how can we find some sort of security to protect our community, but also get paid from that? You have solved a problem. You have solved a problem that most people are willing to pay for it. Do you get it? Number 1, digital marketing. This is key. There's a reason why this is number 1. This is a top skill because it enables you to effectively reach, engage, and convert your target audience, driving visibility and sales in a competitive digital marketing. There's a reason that this becomes number 1. Remember that the world is now online. So whatever we do, we are doing it differently. Back in the days, for instance, when a person is selling a house, they will stand on the street, give us pamphlet. But now the pamphlet must be digital. And now how are you going to reach me, Ichi? How are you going to reach me because you don't know me? So you need to invent ways. That's why you go to TikTok, for instance, and you find people selling product, marketing product, advertising product on TikTok. You understand what I'm saying? Because that's TikTok helps them. In fact, on TikTok, I've seen a person who's got a driving school teaching people something about driving, passing their learners. So some people, and leaving his numbers there, some people will pay for that service. A simple thing as driving school. A person has seen an opportunity and is seizing that opportunity, using to the maximum, and converting people, local prospect clients. Some will deal with them online and teach them how to pass their learners online. He doesn't need them, but they are paying for him. I'm just showing you a practical example. Ukuthi there are people out there who are smart, who are making money online without depending on this physical product. So people need to understand that the world has changed, so they themselves need to change and adapt to the new change if you want to live. Let's leave it here for today. I will see you on the next episode.